What's up, Nitro gang? I just got a massive Nitro haul. I'm holding up two Nitros. One is a sickening Savage with a major surprise, and one is a 2-speed baby Kyosho FW06. But you know why I had to get two Nitros? Because I am going to be giving one of these away. I decided, why not give back to the Nitro gang? I haven't decided which one exactly will be a viewer giveaway. Of course, once I repair them, they're up and running. But one of these Nitros, they're gonna be yours. Now today, I am in a parking lot of a university that I think is quite fake. It's called Keene University. I'm not sure if it's real, but I still got more Nitro. Let's come over to the truck. Let's take a look at exactly what I purchased, guys, because it wasn't just the two Nitros. There's also a big box of stuff I haven't even looked through. What the hell's in there? Okay, we'll take a look at that later. I see we got ourselves a very necessary item, the roto start. You cannot start a Nitro without the roto start. Very happy to see this. If I make a decision to give away this Savage, after of course repairing it, because it looks like it met up with a tree and the tree won. But the tree doesn't know that you cannot kill a Savage. Next up, what do we have? It looks like some quite off-brand terrible wheels. These are Vantage Racing wheels. I do remember kind of seeing wheels with this colorful stripe in the center. Not my favorite. What you want is a nice set of HPI dirt bones. These were the wheels, I'm quite sure, that were originally included in the SS model when the Savage was first released. I don't know which model this is. I will do some more research. I just literally bought this right now. Haven't even taken the body off. I haven't washed nothing. I could already tell there are a couple really bad problems, especially this whole aluminum front end from Vintage is destroyed. This is yet another example of aluminum where you should not have aluminum. But probably I will either bend this back or have it replaced. And the new owner of one of these Nitros, you're going to be running rich and loud. Let's continue with the rest of the box. I might not go over everything, but some certainly I will showcase. Okay, I'm happy to see we have the original factory HPI shocks with what look like upgraded red springs. I'm happy to see that. As long as the original parts are still here in this box, that's good. Looks like we got the original HPI TF4 radio. Not a bad radio. During this time period, for an AM radio, because we have a crystal here, this was quite a great radio, guys. Next up, we have some fuel bottles, pretty much useless. I see we have a whole bunch of original instruction manuals. This is the Kyosho one. I like it. There's a bunch of other stuff. Oh man, you know what? Did I just see an actual HPI manual here? I've pulled out the Savage 25 manual, so I'm assuming this must have been the Savage 25. I was mistaken, not the SS. Savage 25, guys. Very nice. So that means the previous owner spent a whole bunch of money on wheels from a different model Savage. Quite interesting. Let's continue with the rest of the box. We have some, what's this? Receiver battery pack. Probably dead by now, but I will investigate and check it out later. Venom brand. Quite a great receiver battery pack for what they are. What's this? Racquetball? Anybody play table tennis? Hey Melissa, you play table tennis? Why, you anti-table tennis? I'm on the dodgeball bandwagon. If you could dodge a wrench, you could dodge a ball. I got you, boo, I got you. Next up, we have the Kyosho Perfix radio. This was the original radio from the Kyosho FW06 here. Now, I'm not gonna really do a whole investigation of this chassis at this point. What I will tell you, this does look like the original Kyosho body. I could even see a nice little window here for the lights. Kyosho always had some great design. Now this one does have foam tires. The good part is the 2-speed does not seem to be fully destroyed. The bad part is, well, I could see the pull starter cord hanging loose and dangling right there. But original air filter, this needs to be completely gone over restored, fixed, and made great again. Next up, we have a Sprint flip phone, Sprint PCS Vision. Who are they gonna call? The Nitro gang? We answer text, not phone calls, guys. Come on, get real. All right, let's check out what's in here. Oh man, some awesome HPI headers. We have an HPI exhaust gasket. Man, this is some hot stuff. Next up, linkages. It looks like HPI parts. Yeah, so definitely no phones in here, but power switches. Yeah, this looks like Savage upgrade parts. We have some Nitro shoes. These are foam wheels. Quite great wheels. Actually, I have run these previously, although these are for some reason not actually foam. Whatever, they're just shoes. Nitro shoes, I mean. Here we have the original HPI suspension arms. Man, I am happy to see the original parts. The original HPI factory tuned pipe for the Savage. Wow. Once you polish this thing up, it's going to be a looker, guys. It's going to be a looker. It's going to be the Pamela Anderson of pipes. Now, the rest of this, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. I don't know if I want to dig through the rest of this. What the hell is that? A murdering kit? No, it looks like tools. Okay, can't murder anybody with this. Okay, we got a whole bunch of, looks like phone chargers. Whatever. Quite sickening. We have glow driver. Probably going to throw that out right away. But guys, we got ourselves 2 Nitros. Now, there are some surprises here, okay? Because this Savage has something I have never seen before in my life. It's got reverse, all right? I just looked at it, and after I got a little bit pissed and angry over all of this turnbuckle failure here, check out the undercarriage. Giant skid plate. It's hard to tell, but there are 2 servos you could see directly through this access hole. One of these servos is for steering, and one of them is for the reverse module. That's right, guys. The Savage did in fact have an optional reverse system, and this one has got it. What kind of pipe is that? Is that a THS Racing? No. Holy moly, I gotta check this out. Okay, Keene University, I just put a Nitro in your parking spot. What do you think about that? Check this out, guys. We got an RD Logix pipe. It's kind of hard to tell, but basically you cannot kill a Savage, all right? Hey Melissa, what Nitro should we give away?
Whatever has 2-speed, baby.
We're gonna give one of those away. Let's drive home. Well guys, the Nitro haul quick pickup video has come to a conclusion. As I said previously, I'm trying to make Nitro great again. And I want to say special thanks to all my viewers, my channel members, my Patreon supporters, you right out there watching this video. Thank you. One of these Nitros I will make great again, and one of these will be a giveaway for Christmas or New Year's of this year. Every year we will be doing a Nitro Gang sickening giveaway. Now you guys let me know whether you want to see the Savage or whether you want to see the Kyosho FW06 made great again and given to someone that's watching right now. I'll see you guys later. We will talk more about the condition and what needs to happen with these Nitros. I was going to end the video right there, but you know, I got home, I wanted to clean up the bodies just a little bit. You gotta admit it, guys. This thing is not a bad looking Nitro. Kyosho FW05, a correction, this is actually an older one than I expected it to be. This is about 2004, the predecessor to the Kyosho FW06. Look at those headlights. It's incredible. I know. Beautiful, beautiful looking Nitro. Now the Savage, I cleaned up the body a little bit here, took off some of the stickers on the front end. Of course, it still has a whole bunch of damage here in the front end. But this is the channel where Nitros come to get made great again. What we're going to do is we're going to begin repairing both of these nitros during the live streams. And before the end of this month, either the Kyosho of W05 or the HPI Savage will be given to one of you viewers out there. And until then, see you guys on the next live stream. We could all participate in making vintage nitros great again. You know, whether they're vintage, whether they're new, it really doesn't matter because you cannot kill a nitro. I'd like to take a moment to mention today's video sponsor. Oh, there's no video sponsor, it's just the 2-speed baby gang, all of you guys out there, and the back seat of my Lincoln LS V8. We don't need little cheap Amazon RCs to sponsor this channel. We tell the truth, we buy used nitros, and we make them great again to give them away. I'm sitting here in the back seat. It's nice and toasty. If you guys appreciate what I do on this channel, and if you don't want me to pick up a bunch of fake video sponsors that try to sell you cooking utensils, try to sell you cheap Amazon RCs, try to get you to buy subscriptions to things you don't need, make sure to support this channel by becoming a channel member. It's very inexpensive, and you guys can help me make Nitro great again. And yes, the Lincoln LS looks quite great with a Nitro on the rear deck lid. It's a really nice ride over here, guys. You know how nice it is? Take a look at how I'm sitting. I took my shoes off to sit in the back seat, but it's okay. I'm still a little bit toasty because we have ourselves heated seats here in the rear. Name me a vehicle that had heated seats back in 2004. The front, well, the front also has cooled air-conditioned seats. Nitro World Order.
Nitro World Order.